on some hay because I'm at Grandma's farm to meet my grandma.
That's
for
right.
Thanksgiving.
What kind of farm do they have?
They have a pig farm with lots of cows up there. And in here, there's only pigs, cats, and their house. And there's some that actually run out here.
Yeah?
But we have lots of farms here, and I'll show you around to see the pigs.
Let's
So,
go.
Look over there behind you.
Come show us.
Okay. Once I get down. Okay. These are the pigs.
Lila, do you know their names?
No.
So,
Tray.
Lysander's grandpa here names his pigs. He sells them, but he doesn't butcher them. But each one has its own name, and each one has its own personality, and he pets them every single day. He is a lover of pigs.
So, that's my baby brother over there. But
Whoa.
I'll turn around where the other pigs are.
Are you up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me those.
Okay. We going?
We're going to do some other pigs that are kind of little. Actually. And here, they're in this door.
Oh, that might be there for a reason, buddy. Maybe we should ask Grandpa.
Okay, let's go ask Grandpa. So, let's follow Grandpa and see what he goes to. Now we can follow Grandpa and see where he goes, okay? The piggies were way here. Goes over here to over here where some pigs are. Don't let the pigs get out. Right. Don't let the pigs get out.
Yeah. Why don't we not want the pigs to get out?
Because then they'll just...
Don't come in here, Stone. It's too muddy.
Stay out.
Because if they get out, we can't get them back in. It'll be too a little fast.
Stuck. Where's all those piggies?
That pig's because it fell out of these buckets.
Okay. So it's this stuff?
Yeah, it's that stuff on the ground.
Is it the hay?
No, it's actually the little yellow things on
Ah, like this stuff.
it. Yeah.
That's what we feed the pigs, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's called?
Sand.
Nope, not sand. Good guess. What's it called? I actually have no idea what's it called.
Well, I think it's like a mix of corn and wheat. And
Oh, okay.
That pig. Okay. That pig.
What does the pig say, Stelly? Now the piggy's eating the food, Stelly.
It's a very big piggy.
That's right.
Got out. Now let's follow Grandpa again. There'll be more pigs in this barn. See? Look. A pig.
Wow.
There's a big piggy right there, and it also has some babies.
Does it?
Follow me. There's also some babies in the
Okay,
other
go.
one. Look, cute babies. There's baby ones. And a big one. Look in here. There's baby
Oh my
ones.
goodness, look at those pigs.
So cute.
And they're staying under that light to keep warm, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just one that
19 piglets. Wow, you're a trooper.
Hey, can we get the pig some food? Can you get the pig?
Well, hang on. That's going to be for her right now. All right.
Where's mine? It's gonna be for who? My bucket.
Okay. Now, if you hand me those 2 buckets after I go in there, and then you're going to have this
I
bucket.
have that bucket.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy though, so you're going to have to help me carry it, okay? Can you help me carry this to Grandpa?
I actually just
So this is all their food in here. Big pile of it. You just scoop it up, right?
yeah, like that.
Yeah.
All right, Stilly.
I got some in mine.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Look, Dad, you got some in mine.
Good job. Let's put a little in Stelly's too.
Mine.
Can you carry that, Stelly?
Can
Can you do that?
Or mine, Dad.
Let's bring it outside. We're gonna give it to the big pigs in a little bit.
Sally?
The piggies are hungry.
Yeah, they are.
More and more piggies are hungry.
You're doing a good job carrying that, Stellan.
Wait. There's the further.
We can carry it over here, but just don't give it to them yet. Otherwise they get hangry.
Piggies, we have some more food to use.
All right, hang on. Lilva, let me pour a pile and they'll come to me.
Okay, pour it
Pour a
in.
pile.
Good. Now the piggies will come down to you.
Need more.
Here, bud. Here, come here. Come here.
More pig food.
Stelly, come feed the piggies.
Do that.
Yeah.
Why don't you add it to your pile? Make your pile bigger.